Ford Bronco.
Ford is increasing prices by up to $2,000 on its Maverick, Bronco Sport, and Mach-E models built in Mexico, citing new U.S. tariffs on imported vehicles. Ford is adjusting prices on 3 of its popular models due to recent tariff changes. Maverick, Bronco Sport, and Mach-E models, all manufactured in Mexico, will see price increases of up to $2,000 for vehicles built after May 2nd. This move follows the Trump administration's imposition of a 25% tariff on imported vehicles, impacting approximately 8 million cars annually. Ford states that these price hikes are part of routine mid-year adjustments combined with the new tariffs. Vehicles already shipped or currently on dealer lots are not affected by this increase. For more details on how these changes may affect your vehicle purchase, contact your local Ford dealer.
When you get outside and you